A group of Muslim youth from Balrampur, Uttar Pradesh helped to cremate a 60-year-old patient who died of COVID-19. Mukund Mohan Pandey died on April 3rd, but his family members were hesitant to cremate his body, fearing that they would contract the virus. Mukund Mohan Pandey's elder brother had also succumbed to COVID-19 on 30th April. Nagarpalika chairman Shaban Ali and his friends Tariq, Anas, Kaddu and Shafiq made all the arrangements for the funeral and took the body to the cremation ground when they got to know about Mukund Mohan Pandey. Ali said that Pandey's son performed final rituals after all the arrangements were made by the group of Muslim youths. The Delhi government has said that it will supply oxygen to COVID-19 patients who are isolating themselves at home. Patients at home isolation can apply for oxygen on the government portal delhi.gov.in. Patients need to provide valid ID proof, Aadhaar card, COVID-19 positive report and other details to receive the oxygen. The decision has been taken as the hospitals in the national capital are running out of beds. Patients can start applying for oxygen from 6th May. The district magistrate will issue a pass to the patients to receive oxygen based on the availability of the oxygen. Penamaluru Police, which comes under Vijayawada Police Commissionerate limits, saved the lives of 40 COVID-19 patients by ensuring oxygen supply to a private hospital which was running out of life-saving gas. Penamaluru CI M. Satyanarayana received an SOS call from a hospital claiming it was running out of oxygen. Following the call, cops arranged 4 oxygen cylinders within half an hour. Cops received an SOS call at 3 p.m. in the night. DGP Gautam Sawang and Commissioner of Police B. Srinivasalu praised the Penamaluru Police for their timely response. Indian Youth Congress President B.V. Srinivas along with his 1,000-member team are helping COVID-19 patients by responding to SOS messages. Srinivas's team is arranging for oxygen, plasma and beds when patients seek help from them. Srinivas said that they have been helping COVID-19 patients since March 7 under the guidance of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Srinivas has been receiving a lot of appreciation from social media for his works. Gurudwara in Indrapuram, Ghaziabad is providing oxygen to COVID-19 patients. A tent has been installed in temple premises where oxygen is being provided to patients from small cylinders. Over 250 patients have received oxygen from Gurudwara. The Gurudwara management has also set up a testing center and providing medicines to help the patients.